What's up guys, David Fixing for Fun. Today we've got a different kind of project. We are going to be restoring this vintage handsaw. It's a Craftsman. It's not that old, it's got a laminated handle, but I like the teeth on it, I'm not going to lie. I pulled it out of the trash and I said we can make that better, so let's get started. So there isn't much to this. What we're going to do is we're going to take the handle off, we're going to set this blade in a big tub, and we're going to throw it in with some what do you call it? Evapor rust. We're going to see how that works. I've never used it, but a few videos I watched said that's the way to do it. And then we're going to strip this handle, but then we're going to refinish everything. When it's all cleaned up, we're going to sharpen the teeth, and we're going to go from there. Am I ever going to use this saw for anything? No, I have a chainsaw. I have circular saws. Why am I bothering fixing it? Because it looked cool. It's going to look good hanging on my wall. That's what we're going to say anyways. Okay, and last one. Perfect. Not quite big enough. Alright, let's see how this stuff did. It's been a couple days. Oh yeah, the rest is gone. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, what's not to like about that? Okay, this stuff is supposedly reusable, so I guess we'll dump it back in the bottle and try it again next time we need it. Okay, the rust is gone. Now we've just got to get it to that nice shine looking like this. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to get out some fine sandpaper, a little bit of WD-40, and go to town. But first, we're going to start stripping this old handle. Get the varnish off it, and let it start setting. And for that, we're going to use strippies.